Hi everyone, today is the first Monday of the month, and that means it is hashtag Ephemera Madness 24, which is hosted by Jennifer at Scrapbooks and Memories. For the month of September, it was journaling cards. So I didn't decorate anything yet, but these were the few journaling cards I made. They look more like bookmarks, don't they? I have them on a few different sizes. So we have I did illusion sprays. I did my purple and pink together. And this is the silver tinsel embossing powder. And then I did the greens and blues for this. And then I did the leaf stencil in gold. Let me see. I believe it's champagne gold. I'm sorry. No, I was wrong. It was the metallic gold rich. And then for the third one, I did my blues and green, and I did a purple tinsel. All right, these are all from Ranger, except this one. This one is the Wow brand. And I made three of these. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but these are all done, and I figured you and I could make one together. So I have another big piece here. This is of the purples. And there was purple and a pinkish color, and that's what it made. And I'll do one together with you. Let me get another stencil. Let me see which one I want to use. Let me see. I have a bunch here. Let's try. I'm gonna try this. Some of the stencils I keep in their original packaging. Some I put on this. This wire. I have a bunch of mostly Tim Holtz, but I do also have Gina K Designs. Now I can't get this off. Ooh, what am I doing wrong? I can't get it off. Oh my. Well, that's okay. Let me see, which one do I want to use for this one? Let me see. Well, that one's kind of Christmassy. There's some more leaves here. Maybe I can do that. I'm not sure, but I have to take this off first. And I don't know why it's giving me a problem. I've done it a million times, but for some reason it's giving me an issue. Well, you know, guys, for the sake of this video, I don't think I'm going to be able to get it. Let me pull another stencil from my stash over here. Maybe I'll just do that. Let's see. What can I use? What can I use? I have a lot of floral stencils. I don't want to use that. A lot of them are layering. I have bubbles here. I have hearts. Boring. That one's similar to the other one. Flowers, flowers, flowers. Everything's flowers. Snowflake. I don't want that. I think, well, I'm going to have to cut that off if I can't open that. But, gee, this is... I can't believe I can't get that open. I got it. 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 I'm afraid to even put it back now. All right, I did get it open. Let's do this one. Shoot, you gotta watch out too. Some of them are very dainty. All right, so sorry for that, but I got it open. Now I'm gonna show you what I do. There's a piece over here that says Avery still, so I'm gonna just going to put it this way, and I'll just cut that piece off. So, all right, I'll show you how I did this. So I put my stencil down. When I emboss, I usually go over it with my little powder tool or my little brush, but that's okay. I don't think it's necessary for this. So I'm just going to hold the stencil down, and then I'm just going to get my Versamark ink, not Versafine, Versamark. And I'm just going to go deep into the impression here of the stencil. Okay. Just a few times. Even one time is enough, really, but I'm going to just go over it to make sure that everything is coated. All right, I think that's good. All right, let's close this up. Now, the hardest part is what color do I want to use? I already used the silver over here, and I think that looks really good. But to try it in gold, I'm a little afraid. I think... Let's try it in the gold. I think I'm going to regret this, but I think it looks better with silver. But let's try it. And if you can see the imprint on there. All right. All right. Oh, I hope this is a good choice. I don't know. I think I want to do the silver, but it's too late now. And then usually if it's something big like this, you can do it any way you want, but I kind of just push it down like this. Sometimes I put the whole bottle on it and just let it go down, but I also sometimes do it like this. It's all how you want to do it. There's some over there missing, you know. What else? Maybe right there spot. You know. Tap off all the excess. And then just put the rest back. Close it up. I don't know where my cover is. I know that doesn't go on this one. Oh, it does. It didn't look like it did. Okay. You need a heat tool. Now, a lot of people have the craft heat tools. I'm not knocking them. Nothing wrong with those. But I got myself a Wagner. And if you know Tim the Toolman Taylor, power, okay? So I'm going to use this one. But there's nothing wrong with the craft ones. There's really not. I just wanted a heavy duty one. Okay. So I'm going to put this on for a few seconds just to get it nice and hot before I start embossing. Alright guys, that was my glue gun that fell. And there's a packet of sugar. Or as my mother would say, sugar. There's a packet of sugar on my craft desk. I don't know how that got there. Okay. So that's what it looks like finished. It's not bad. It's not bad, but I think I still like the purple and silver a little bit better. So I'm working on a journal. I'm probably going to work on a fall journal for a friend. And I think I'm going to add some of these in there. Like this one would be nice. You know, I think I'm going to. And then I'll just save the others for when I need them. But they're a little warpy. I'm going to put them under a nice heavy book for a few days. Try to get them flattened out. This one needs a little bit more glue because I backed them with manila file folder. Okay, so that is the finished product for my journal tags for right now. If anyone wants to join Jennifer's challenge, the first Monday of every month, you upload whatever prompt she's using. And this month happened to be journaling cards. So that's what I have for now. And we'll see what happens in the near future, what I do with these. But I think they came really pretty. I wish the gold stood out a little bit better with this one, but there's all different kind of golds, and this particular gold that I have just might be a flat gold, you know. Some pop out more than others, and this is really popping out, that one. So I hope you like what I made, and hope you give it a try. So thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll catch you all next time. Bye.